Alright, today on the lean-to, we're not in the lean-to, we're in our new shop we had built. Working on the Belair. Gonna be putting a new idle air control valve on it because she's idling kind of funny when it's cold. I'm hoping that's the problem. Also gonna clean the mass airflow sensor here. And while I got it off, I'll have change the alternator because this one came with the swap that I bought and it squeals very bad. So we're gonna change that also while we got it off. Got the new idle air control valve here, and we got a new shiny alternator there. Alrighty, got the air intake out of the way. Getting ready to get started taking the alternator off, so it's easier to get this little guy out because I've taken it out once before without the alternator being off, and it's a real pain to get to this bottom bolt. So we will check back once the alternator's out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the two screws holding the IAC in. I'll show you how dirty this thing is. Broken O-ring. That would be my fault from the last time I took it out and put it back in. Alright, I'm going to put this one back in and try not to tear it up.
I would twist that a little bit if it was me.
If that doesn't make it run any better, at least it looks better. Okay, got everything. Got everything put back together. The alternator is charging good, and it's not making near as much noise. Won't be able to tell about the cleaning the MAF and the new IAC until it gets real cold, because it only idles rough when it's warming up. But now that makes the rest of my engine bay look really dirty. And excuse the noise, got the heater going because it's about 1 degree outside right now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, check us out on Instagram. I'm starting an account on there. Lean-to Customs on Instagram also. Thanks.